For someone new to marine diesel systems, what's the first thing they should learn to keep their engine reliable?
If you're starting on a boat for the first time, you come aboard, say you've bought the boat, and you come aboard, okay, I remember my very first boat. I got the boat, I came down the companionway, I opened the engine compartment, and there was a 3-cylinder book, red. And I thought, well, I hope you run well and just close the door. That's not the right attitude, okay? When people start with diesels or with anything mechanical that they're not familiar with, we do feel some trepidation. But one of the reasons I did the book, and I'm now doing the series of books, is to help people get over that. So when you first see the engine, take a good look. It isn't going to bite. It isn't made of salt, and it's not going to dissolve on you. The first things to do are to check the condition and the tightness of the belts, check the oil, check the dipstick in the transmission, and if you're into the raw water, like if you're running the engine and you're not sure about the raw water, check the impeller and check the engine coolant. Okay, simple tests, simple checks. What I call engine essentials. In the first book on maintenance, they're called engine essentials. And those are the simple things. You start doing those, start paying attention, and slowly they will become fairly straightforward to you, and then you can venture into things that, take a little bit more learning. But at the bottom of the learning curve, check the belt, check the condition of the belt, check the engine oil, check the engine coolant, and you'll slowly build up the skill.